Hello, everyone. Today, we're excited to bring you a detailed review of the Best Buy Damascus 4 pieces Damascus steel pocket knife set. This set is truly a work of art, combining premium materials and craftsmanship to create a set that will impress any knife enthusiast. It includes not just one, but 2 stunning knives, a Damascus steel knife and a 420C steel pocket knife, both made with top quality materials. One of the standout features of this set is the leather sheath included. This isn't just any sheath, it's made from genuine leather and is designed to perfectly fit the knives. It adds an extra touch of luxury and protection to the set. And let's not forget about the handy sharpener rod included. It's perfect for keeping your knives in tip-top shape. So, if you're someone you know is on the lookout for a high-quality pocket knife set, look no further than this Best Buy Damascus 4 pieces Damascus steel pocket knife set. Remember to check out our video for more details and insights into this amazing product. See more premium quality products, visit us www.damascus1.com. And that's all for today's video, folks. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Shops link www.damascus1.com. Our ultimate folding knife, olive wood pocket knife, compact Damascus knife, ideal for outdoor, survival, camping, and best use for hunting, fishing, outdoor activities. Use knife set, stay sharp, and keep exploring. See you next time for our another best quality knife set.